Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will learn how to add your by default location to Google Maps in Android. So here, as you could see in the main activity.java, the current latitude and longitude positions are set to Sydney. So these are basically the coordinates of Sydney's location. Now let's assume that you have to add your own location over here. So for that, what you need to do is that you simply need to open up Google Maps and search for your location. So I'm going to choose my location. So let's click over here, and what you need to do is that you need to click on what's here, and when you click that, you're basically going to get the coordinate points over here. So what you need to do now is that you simply need to copy these coordinates, go back to Android Studio, and simply paste these coordinates over here. So I'm going to replace this with the new coordinates, and now as you could see, the new coordinates have now been changed. So the next thing which you could do is that you could also set the title of the marker. So instead of a marker in Sydney, let's say you could type in something like Ashutosh location. And then what you could do is that you could simply save the code, and now instead of pointing to Sydney, now the pointer is actually going to point to a new location, which is this location which we have added right now. So if you save the code and if you try to run this application, as you could see, now the marker actually points to the location which we have specified right over here. So as you could see, this is my location, and it's actually taking a while for the map to load up. That's because my internet connection is a bit slow today. And as you could see, when I click this pointer, it says Ashutosh's location. So that actually works perfectly, and what you could do now is that you could go ahead and add multiple locations to your app or to your map. So let's say if you want to show multiple locations on a single map, you could do so. So what you simply need to do in that case is that you basically need to go ahead and add the new latitude and longitude position, and you simply have to show them on map. Now one simple drawback with this map is that when the map actually loads up, it does not zoom into the current position. So what we actually want this map to do is that we want the map to zoom into the location which we have specified instead of showing the overall map of the entire world. So in the next lecture, what we will do is that we will learn how to add multiple positions and also how to zoom in into one single particular position so that we only get the view of that particular area. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.